Why most important goal ads conversion tracking for service business? HBSC roofing, plumbing, electrical, real estate, and legal and cleaning. Any other type of service business. Goal ads conversion tracking is one of the most important parts of advertising because it's tell you whether your ad spend is generating real business result, not just click. Stop buying clicks. Smart acquiring customer. The definitive guide to implementing high performance conversion tracking for service bus based business. And then the local service dilemma. What Google Ads shows by a default. Standard reporting track digital metrics and do you not directly instant pay for bills. There are main reasons. No voice ad generated real customer. Without conversion tracking goals, ads only show impression, click, CTR and CPC. But service business don't make a money from click. They make money from phone calls, good request, contact forms, book an appointment, store visit, and lead from submission. Conversion tracking shows this keyword plus this ad plus this location generated a qualified customer. Example, a roofing company spent $2,000 in month on Google Ads without tracking. 2000 click, 100 keywords, unknown result. With tracking, roof replacement near me generated 25 calls. Emergency roof repair generated 50 leads. Cheap roofing company generated poor quality leads. Now the company can invest more in profitable campaign. Google AI needs conversion data to optimize. Modern Google Ads use AI system like Smart Bidding, Performance Max, AI Max for search, AI Max for search, Target CPA, and Target ROAS. ROAS. Identify profitable keyword without bias with tracking. Local service company often run ads completely blind conversion. Tracking isolates high value intent terms from poor performing ones. Without tracking and with tracking. The system learns from a conversion data. If Google does not know what a valuable customer looks like, it optimizes for more clicks, cheaper traffic, low quality visitors. With proper tracking, Google learns people who search these terms comes from this location and we have this way become customers. Then AI find more similar customers, reduce wasted ad spend, smart bidding, providing a smart bidding. Ga- Garbage and in, garbage out. Targeted AI optimization. Eliminating invisible ad waste. Conversion tracking reduce or reduce wasted ad spend. Service business often waste money because of wrong keywords, wrong location, wrong audience, poor search terms, and low quality leads. Conversion tracking helps identify example campaign A. Spend $1,000 and then get leads 40. Cost per lead $25. Camping B. Spend $1,000 and get lead 5 leads. Cost per lead $200. 2000. Without tracking, both camping look similar. With tracking, you know where to reduce a budget and where to scale. Measure true ROI. Measure actual bottom line ROI. Connected spend indirectly to revenue. Business owner don't want to know how many clicks did we get. They want to know how much reduced did whole ads net. Conversion tracking connect. Ad, click, and lead, and customer, and then revenue. Example: Golders spent $5,000, generated 80 80 phone calls. Converted customer 20, average job value $300, $300, revenue six, 60,000, $6,000, ROI 12, return. Improve a lead quality. Not every lead is valuable. A roofing company may receive job seekers, people outside service area, wrong service request, price shoppers, poor quality visitors, and sales qualified targets. Advanced tracking can measure qualified calls from submission, appointment booking, and sales qualified leads. Then Google optimize it toward better customer. Actionable tracking by industry. Roofing.com, HVAC business and plumbing. It is any other type of services business. Scale with total confidence. Driven budget growth. Track different service business action. Example: roofing company track a roof inspection request, phone calls, estimate from a damage injury inquiry. HBC company track emergency repair calls, installation request, maintenance booking, and plumbing company track emergency plumbing calls, quote request, service booking. Real estate track a property inquiry, consultation booking, and lead forms. Better budget scaling decision. When you know your data, you can confidently say, increase this camping from a 3,000 month to 10,000 month because it generates a profitable customer without tracking. Increase the budget is just guessing. The options are blueprint and the ultimate marketing map. Ready to build your system on our tracking audit and image source. Ready to build your system. Instead of wasting 40% of your advertising budget on untracked clicks, implement a enterprise grade local conversion tracking now. The complete tracking setup for service businesses. A professional setup usually includes Google Ads conversion tracking, Google Tag Manager, GeoFood setup, enhanced conversion, call tracking, and from click, CRM integration, offline conversion input, server side tracking. Final thoughts. For service business, Google Ads without conversion tracking is like driving without a GPS. You may spend money and move forward, but you don't know which road works, which direction is profitable, where are losing money. Conversion tracking turns Google Ads from a traffic generator into a measurable customer acquisition system.